to see what this truck can do? Because you're about to. Do a run, get used to where he's going. It is not easy to see out of these machines, ladies and gents, especially in the dark when you've got fireworks going off everywhere. I told you this machine had a few tricks up its sleeve. Well, Dwarfer, I think Clive's having a little bit too much fun in that machine. Put your hands together. Show your appreciation. He can hear, maybe. The louder you scream, the louder you get, he will hear you. Put your hands together, give him a wave, say good day, and show your appreciation to Clive and Rubble. Ladies and gents, Clive is going to disappear out of the arena.